get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Long time no hear. I would like to say to all my subscribers that have constantly come on the channel and kept it alive for me for the last 7 months while I've been working on myself and my house. Thank you so very, very much. I so truly appreciate it. And the only way I could think to thank you is to promise to never put a rerun up again. So the first few videos are just review videos because I'm just getting used to editing again. Now I've already done a review on the Temu Island bench. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the link up at the end of the video. Now next Monday night I will be back. I'm going to be doing a review on this 15-piece knife block set from Couldnt. Once that review is done, we're going to start smashing out the recipes. You friggin' who? I just can't wait. Thank you so very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you all on Monday. Toodles.